Hello and welcome to Hyatt Centric Chandigarh. Well, this is like not my first video of this property, but this is a recent video, and reason that I wanted to shoot this is wanted to show you a normal category room at Hyatt Centric, the basic or the deluxe category room. So now I'm taking to room number 537, and now let the room tour begin. This is room 537. So this is normal category room. Just wanted to show you. So this is, so when you enter, these are your French shelves. So the space that you get wherein you can keep your luggage, and so these are like mine. So this is again this is a common feature that you get in other category rooms as well. And this is the closet. I'll just show you. So this is a closet. So this has got a medical kit, then torch, and again where you can keep your clothes, hang your clothes. And this is your mini shelf. And as you go now, these are like common thing, your shoe shine, and then slippers as well. So this is a normal category room. Now you see, and this is another space where you can keep a luggage. And so this is your bedding, and other than that, this is your 55-inch television set with satellite channels, as well as you can log into your OTT platforms as well. And then let me show you what else. So this is something common that you even get in other category rooms, the deluxe category also room. So this is your oriental shelf, which is common, which is same. So where you get your water bottle supplies, your tea and coffee supplies. And other than that, let me show you. This is your tea and coffee maker. So they do not have the Nespresso one here. And these are your food supplies. Let me try to show you. So these are your food supplies, where you have various from different brands, all on chargeable basis, of course. And then you have your mini shelf, which is completely stacked again, which has got your again liquor as well as your soft beverages, all on chargeable basis. And the prices keep on changing as well as the terms and conditions of the hotel. And then let me show you, this is the view that you get from the room, which is again very good. It's a complete and clean view. And this is so as you just see on the left. So this is your Zakir Hussain Rose Garden side, and on the other side you can also see Taj Chandigarh is on the other side. And wow, so you can just sit here. This is a small sitting space, a small sitting space with you can come sit and have a small meal. And this is of course your bedding, and that's your, they do also have an iHome player which they have given there. And then they have their lamp as well as intercom connection for you to make various changes. So now when you look at, so now when you compare this, I'll also show you. So now the difference between normal category and deluxe category room is, first of all, the size. So size of, as you can see, this is slightly smaller than the premium category room. Other than that, there is no Nespresso. So Nespresso is an added feature that is in their higher category rooms. And another difference is the size. Nespresso also, you do not have the pickle couch. So pickle couch is usually placed here for your sitting. So that's another kind of difference. And the third difference is, major one is so I'll just show you the washroom. So washroom is on the right hand side. I'll just show you. So this is how you enter. So this is the washroom. So you can see washroom is super tiny. It's half of the size of what you get in other category rooms. So this is your WC, your huge mirror, and this is your wash basin, and of course these are your toiletries, and there are other toiletries, so this is all there. But if you look at it, it's smaller in size as compared to the other one. So the size of the room is very small. So just for the perspective, so this is how you enter. So this is the size. This is almost, I must say, half of the size of the normal room. Otherwise, it's very neat and tidy, clean. So this is WC area. I've already shown you. So the size of the room is like, you can just see, right? You can barely open. I mean, if you just look at this, you can barely open and close. So that's a common kind of that's a problematic kind of a thing here. But other than that, for the price point, I must say it's very reasonable. It's like, as I've been always saying, Hyatt Centric Chandigarh is one of the very much, I must say, a prime category room and prime category stay that you can get here. So it's good. You can come here and have a nice and wonderful stay. Bye bye, and I thank you.